possession perpetually, which again translates to him bringing you into captivity. Well, guess what? According to the writings, according to the story, he's going into captivity. And again, this is what contributes to our comfort, which brings me right here to the book of Psalms, chapter 149, and starting at the 6th verse. It says, let the high praises of Yahweh be in their mouth and a two-edged sword in their hand. And the symbolism, if you will, of this two-edged sword would be the scriptures, which serves as an order, a decree. See that? Verse 7, it says to execute vengeance upon the heathen being the other nations, starting with the so-called white man, and punishments upon the people, to bind their kings with chains, to bind their kings with chains, and their nobles with fetters of iron, which translates to slavery. According to the orders sent down from the heavens, according to the decree, Esau is going into captivity. Let's read this again. To bind their kings with chains and their nobles with fetters of iron. See, which what we just read here complements the book of Revelation, the 13th chapter, the 9th and 10th verse, where it says, he who leadeth into captivity shall go into captivity. Guess what? That's an order. See? Verse 9, it says, to execute upon them the judgment written. Let's read this again. It says to execute upon them the judgment written. See? This honor have all his saints praise you.